As you can see, this syntax it's pretty difficult to read. That's why I recommend just highlight all of this code. And then in the left side, you can see the lamp. If we push on this, VS Code advises us some options. And I recommend to push on convert to template string. And then you can see there's another style of syntaxes. It's very useful. So VS Code clever enough to understand our code and advise us some another options. And now we get the same functionality, but in different style of code. So if you like this one, use this one. If you like previous one, leave it as it is. So I'm gonna continue. Now we need to export this. Export by default and our function request logger. Done.